Okay, a new day, a new project. We have a job to do. I have to fix a mixer. That's a kitchen mixer. We have to check what's happening over here because there is no power going in. So for the beginning, I'm going to check all the continuity, the wires continuity, the plug, and so on. So let's go start. First, let's take these accessories out because we don't need that. Anyway, power is on and let's see what's happening. Nothing so far. I may say that can be this switch over here, but we have to open it up anyway. Okay, so we have 6 screws over here. Oh, the model of this one is Simbo 600 watts, nothing else. Okay, we got this model number S-B3038. Okay, so this is out. So, right. Let me have the cable. The belt over here. The motor is looking good. Yeah, it's looking okay. Inside here is a micro switch. When you put this on, the switch is closed. Okay, so now let's measure the wires here. Are the so-called brushes, carbon brushes. So we can test this if we have any continuity. And there's nothing there. Maybe it's the motor. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so here is a kind of screw, this one, on the top. Now we can take the motor out. And we can check this for good. It's okay here. The motor is not smelling like burn or something. But why not? We have this big one out. There we go. Okay, the main switch is out too. Back, and we have that switch on. Here is okay. Here should be fine. I know this one it's okay. I have to block this with a piece of paper or something. Now it's okay. I think I found the problem. So, is this switch over here should be properly touched by something inside here. So when we have this on, here should be something to have this one pushed inside. But like I said before, we have a crack in here. Yes. But this is not a crack. This is in purpose. So it's something coming in here, getting that switch in place. Because if it's like this, then I have power. You see? I can even check. Okay, there's nothing here. That's okay. Let's put it in the main. Power off. Power on. That's it. It's working. And it's working very well. That's the problem over here. It's so nice. The motor is okay. All these other switches are fine. So we have to find out what's happening over here with this one. That's the single thing. That's the single problematic thing, let me say. So we can put everything back together. Let me have the main switch in place. Okay. Mother goes back in place. Now let's see what's happening here. We should have this. That's the one doing all the mumbo jumbo. If we push this, there we go. Okay, so job is done. It was nothing serious over here. It's just a matter of positioning this top over here into that hole over there, and now it's switching on. There is I can call it a kind of security switch. So it was nothing wrong with the machine. The mother, it's okay. Let's have a test. Perfect. So job is done. I'm really glad it was nothing serious, because if a motor like this get burned, it's almost impossible to replace it. And that's it for now. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to have fun. In the meantime, be safe. Bye bye.